Hey there, tech-savvy viewers! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel that brings you the latest and greatest tech reviews. Today, we're diving into a crucial accessory for Lenovo laptop users, the NIC Power 65W USB-C fast charger. Buckle up, folks, because this charger means business. Let's kick things off with a focus on safety. This charger has passed the rigorous UL certification. That means it's aced some of the strictest quality tests, ensuring top-notch safety for your Lenovo laptop. Now, when we talk about compatibility, we're talking about exceptional compatibility. This charger fits all Lenovo laptops with a 65W or 45W USB-C power connector. That includes Thinkpad, Yoga, IdeaPad, Flex, Chromebook series, and more. Need to charge your laptop in a flash? This charger's got your back. Thanks to USB-C and PD technology, it automatically detects and delivers the right power output for lightning fast charging. And let's not forget about customer satisfaction. NIC POWER is all about putting you, the customer, first. Enjoy immediate and convenient refunds or replacements within 30 days, along with a generous 2-year warranty. Now, let's talk power details. This charger delivers an output of 65W at 20 volts, 3.25A, which is perfect for 45W, 20 volts, 2.25A Lenovo laptops. It's the ideal balance of power and efficiency. Wondering what's in the box? Well, you'll get the NIC POWER replacement charger and a power cord, ensuring you have everything you need to power up your laptop. Safety is the name of the game here. This charger boasts a robust build with high-quality materials, including a PC material casing that's durable, wear-resistant, and non-deforming. It's built to last. And let's not forget about the fully grounded 3-pin plug, ensuring highly efficient and stable charging. No worries about electrostatic issues, short circuits, or overheating here. The USB Type-C connector is the cherry on top, designed to fit all Lenovo laptops with a 65W USB Type-C connector. It also excels at heat management, keeping things cool when you're working hard. There you have it, folks. The NIC Power 65W USB-C fast charger. Your reliable companion for keeping your Lenovo laptop juiced up and ready for action. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique, and ring that notification bell. Thanks for tuning in. Stay charged, stay productive, and stay right here on Product Critique for more tech insights.